To create gay in infinite craft, first take water, then add earth to make plant, then add fire to make smoke, then add plant to make incense, then add smoke to make prayer, then add incense to make angel, then add smoke to make devil, then add angel to make human, then add human to make family, then add human to make baby, then add baby to make a child, then add baby over the child to make teenager, then add child to make adult, and now take water, and now take fire and add fire over it to create volcano, add fire again to create lava, add water to make stone, then add lava to make obsidian, add human over obsidian to make statue, then add obsidian over statue to make Aztec, then add obsidian again to make sacrifice, add family to sacrifice to create love, then add love to adult to create marriage. Then take water and add water to create lake, add wind to make storm, add water to make rain, add rain over rain to make a rainbow, add the rainbow to marriage to make gay. And that's how you make gay in Infinite Craft. Thanks for watching.